country, some of you may not know, it also provided sanctuary to some of our countries when we were fighting the struggle for liberation. So it is our duty, therefore, to return the sacrifice that had been done for us to be able to be free in our own countries. The African Union has pronounced that they will not abandon Somalia, which is a member of the African Union.
And there has been a lot of achievement operationally, and this implies that it has a big impact of Kismayo, because this serves as the buffer zone to the Kismayo airport.
حردنا وحن إني عضينا ياد ثب وحدة إن نقول وريك الرأي كفلنا